Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M31. It comes in space black and ocean blue
Hey
colors.
there. Subscribe to my channel.
6
and
GB
also
RAM
press this
plus
bell
64
icon.
GB memory, 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB memory, and 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512 GB. This is dual SIM phone. It is 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display, Full HD Plus resolution 2340 by 1080, 404 ppi pixel density and 16 million color support. Secure your phone instantly with fast face unlock and fingerprint scanner. It has quad camera setup at rear 64 megapixel f1.8 main camera, 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel f2.2 depth camera and 5 megapixel f2.4 macro camera. It has 32 megapixel f2.0 front facing camera. It is powered by Android 10.0 operating system with 2.3 GHz plus 1.7 GHz Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. It is equipped with 6000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, non-removable battery included, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information,
Hey there.
visit the product detail
Subscribe
page.
to my channel. And also press this bell icon.